everyone. Welcome to the HR interview sessions. How it is going? Hope everything is fine and good. I think everyone is understanding the concepts which have been revealed as of now. Okay, so let's start with another topic that is known as pitch of voice. What is actually a pitch of voice is about? Pitch of voice may vary from different person to person. How is it useful for an interviewer to interview a candidate, and what an actual interviewer is watching in a pitch of voice? For example, if I'm talking and I'm introducing myself in the tone of a completely mum kind of tone, right? My name is Praveen and I'm basically from Bagalkot and I have done my graduation from this college. All these kind of tone, whichever I'm speaking as of now, this is a very thin tone where a person can understand that the person is not quite confident. It's a kind of behavior which we are known as assertiveness. So this assertiveness in the tone and pitch of voice is to be seen through it. Okay, now let's talk a very high tone. My name is Praveen and I'm basically from Bagalkot where I'm speaking at a very high tone. These both tones, one the pitch was very low and the pitch and the one was very high. Now you can see both the pitches are quite different because the voice modulation is quite important for a person. A person when speaks, his voice should modulate high and low. It shouldn't be a kind of by hearting. It should be a complete thing where a person can understand that the person who is sitting in front as an interviewer who can observe this what interviewer is doing over here. Okay, the observation of interviewer will be a pitch of voice that shows on what kind of tone you speak. It shouldn't be completely kind of a robotic. It shouldn't be a completely mom kind of tone of voice. You should talk not from the throat. It should be coming from the stomach level where it shows your confidence more. Like you will open from the stomach and very not too much high on pitch of your voice or too much low on your pitch of voice. This pitch of voice will be quite different for different people. But the thing is here, the kind of people would understand what could be the tone of the voice or pitch of the voice. For example, when a song is written, it waves up and down like a kind of a singing. Your tone and pitch of voice shouldn't be of singing, but it should have breathe, pause, everything. But it shouldn't be in between of your talk. For example, while talking, if you are breathing and you are stopping yourself, right? While talking, for example, my name is, this is a kind of a breathing. Actually, what I mean to sense in the kind of breathing, my name is, while talking, when you take a breath, okay, it shows that the person is exactly facing a confidence issue, right? When the person is talking while introducing himself or telling something, when he takes a breath in, it shows that he is not confident enough. Okay, this is what we gonna breathe. About the pause, now I will tell you about the pause, what actually the pause is. Okay, for example, if I'm talking, my name is Praveen and I'm basically from Bagalkot. I have done my SSLC, some college, university, something. When I introduce my part, okay, it should have a pause where I should be smart enough to pause while talking to take a breath in. It shows the confidence is high and your thought process is quite confident. So this is what the part of pitch and tone of voice. High, not too much high. Low means too much, not low. Too much not high, too much not low. It should be adequate in mid, that is known as usually when a confident person is speaking. It is a kind of known as assertiveness where the person is bold enough and speaking the truth. Okay, this is the best part where we talk about while we are communicating, we see every question when it is being asked, how the person is answering the question, right? If he is answering in a too much high tone, then it shows that there is some thought process is going on and he is not quite good thinking about it. He has a very different kind of thing about it. Okay, then we can judge how much is he really saying right or he is judging. The HR interviewed in this way, he will judge you out. Okay, the pitch is too much high or tone. Whenever I ask the question, then it shows that the question which have been asked, is it hurting a person's values or is he thinking high on it? When a person thinks very high on it, he starts pitching it high. When a person thinks very low on it, he speaks very low. So the assertiveness is needed while speaking. Assertiveness means completely positive, good thinking, and to be a truth that shows a level of confidence, and the tone of voice is very essential. Understand the tone of voice. It shouldn't be in a kind of a singing mode. It's not should be in robotic style. It shouldn't be like a by-hearted one. It should be a thinking thought process involved. Thinking and thought is there where you can put your thinking and thoughts properly into your words and you can convey the right message at the right time. So this is the best part where we talk